Bye, bye, bye. Let's see. Stand by. So. Fauda. Let's see. Come by. Let's so. Come by. Let's see. Kel, lie down. Fauda, so. טובה, טובה.
What we're trying to do is using grazing projects, like here what we are doing with the sheep. The sheep is doing a selection. They know how to eat the weed, that is a problematic weed that grow very, very fast, and not eating all kinds of phytes. For example, like anemone that live here, and all kinds of flowers that we want to see the bloom of those flowers in the spring. And by using a very unique technique of grazing, Asaf, the sheeper, is helping us with that, and we can do this grazing activity even in an urban space, like here.
Like down. Away. טוב, בא. היי. ווקר. לאט. לאט. היי. Fauda and Chaos are my two dogs. They are border collie, and they named because I want chaotic dogs, and I want to train the really excited dogs and really energetic dogs. The effect on the sheep are by being like a predator. They all the time direct them, and they come from size, and then they cut them. They go straight them, and then they put pressure, and each time that I stop the dog, I release the pressure, and then the sheep are stopped. So basically like that I can really put them in boundaries in between two lines, and that's the way that we separate like this area that we want the sheep to eat inside, and other area that we want the nature will go wild. נגד, עצרי. טובה.
חלק מהטבע העירוני, לא?
מציע לך, לא? רק סינגלים. Come by, עצור, היי! ווקר, עצור. The project was, I think it was really nice, like the dream. I had a dream that I can become a shepherd inside Tel Aviv, so that's my main goal was, and to play with sheep and dogs in the middle of such a beautiful days. It's all the time nice, and that's the main reason why I joined this project. And to train my dogs on sheep next to my house, it's really nice and cool. So that's it. Walk. 3.
Another thing that we understand that you have to protect corridors in city. For example, the Yarkon river that crosses the Ganei Yehoshua Park is part of a very big corridor that starts from the hills, from the mountains near Jerusalem area, and go down to the sea, to the Mediterranean area, to the Mediterranean Sea area, and this corridor is very important to connectivity to all kinds of wild animals that by that get into these areas. For example, we see the jackals in the park. We see all kinds of animals that enjoy this corridor, and we understand it is important to protect those corridors, and that's why important to have all kinds of nature sites in this corridor.